Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a drop-down combo box border and fill color. I'll change this box border and fill color. Now say form option, this menu bar, and here you will find a select option. Click on this down and select annotation and drag your mouse to select your box. Now press right button for your mouse cursor and select properties dialog box. Properties dialog box, go appearance option, already selected appearance option, and this way you can select appearance, add is box border color, and see this you can change it, and this is fill color. Also you can change this border style, see this, and dash and make it insert, and this is fill color already see. So and this is font color, text color, also you can change here. Yeah, in this way you can change your combo box, text color, border color, and fill color. Also you can change fill color. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.